Today I'm going to disassemble the U.S. Combat 1911, the special combat from WE. I'm going to show you how to take it out and be able to replace any parts you need or lubricate your gun. Basically anything you really need to do. First thing you would need to do is see this little black pin right here. You need to pop that out. You can use anything thin. The tool pick can do it. You might want to use something stronger, but it worked for me. There you go. Keep that in a safe spot. You need it later to reassemble it. The next step you need to do is this pin. This pin you're going to need to cock the gun back a little bit until it gets to the first bump, and then from the back side push the pin out like that. So keep that aside. Next thing you need to do is there's two screws that's located right near the hammer. It's one on each side. You're going to unscrew that with a Phillips head screwdriver. Keep that. There it goes. My screw's being stupid. There you go. Now just keep that in. So now it should just come right off. The slide should come right off. Keep the slide over here. Next thing you do, you just take this off too, and keep it aside. Next thing you should do is you're going to take this safety off by unscrewing this screw right here. So you get your Phillips head again, start unscrewing it. There we go. So you unscrew it, so you put this aside. And now this is part when stuff start coming off automatically. Just slide it out. There you go. Things come off. Trigger. These two things come off, and the trigger apparently now. Now this is the body part. As far as I'm going to go to. So all you need is to lube out the parts if you want to replace parts you need and whatnot. And that's it for today.